Hello, namaste. This video is for Janine Edelblut. She sent me this package from France. She is in France, and Janine has been my YouTube subscriber for a long time. She has been following my yoga videos. She also messaged me quite a few times asking me when I could post more full-length yoga class videos. I was unable to do so in last 8 or 10 years since I started posting my videos due to my busy teaching schedule. Finally, with the corona situation, my teaching schedule changed. All classes became online, and now I had a chance to record some of my full class videos and post online. And that made Janine very happy. She messaged me if she could send me one of her hand painted shirts as a gift to me, and I said yes. And so here it is. So this is making me feel like a celebrity now, receiving this fan mail. Thank you, Janine. I've been blessed with many generous students over the span of my teaching life who always bring me gifts of love from their hearts, their home, the homegrown vegetables or the prasad of their puja or the food that they make. And they keep me in their thoughts, or when they go on overseas trips, they get me something. But this is also something very special that somebody is sending me all the way from across the ocean from France. So I'm happy to open it in front of all of you. Alright, let's see. And so this is from France. I hope I don't tear the shirt. I'm going to just cut it here. Here it is. I love this color, Janine, and this is very special as you have painted it yourself. Oh, it's written in English. Bonjour and welcome to art culture where art and function are unified into clothing that is chic and fun. The 100% cotton garments are pre-shrunk and can be machine washed and dried like any other cotton clothing, no special care needed. And each piece is hand painted, so variations in paint are part of the art. Satisfaction is guaranteed by the artist and creator Janine Edelblut. Thank you, Janine. This means a lot to me. I'm going to just try it. I'm sure I can fit into this. Let's see. Yep. This fits perfectly and it matches the pants that I'm wearing today, and it feels nice and soft cotton. Thank you very much again for this kind gesture. I'm feeling this special love right now. Thank you. Namaste.